here from Diamond Painting Nerd, and I'm so excited. I have received my first ever Diamond Art Club kit. Now, I said I was only going to get these when it was a special occasion, a birthday or Christmas, but I couldn't resist. So I wanted to test this out versus the budget ones that I've actually done so far. And so I actually bought this from a reseller on on eBay. And the reason I wanted this one is because it is the Something in the Air one, which is the Nightmare Before Christmas themed one. I don't believe that this one is available anymore. And when I saw it, I was like, I've got to have it. So I bought this one from someone that was destashing it on eBay, and I'm going to unbox it. Now, there probably are a ton of unboxing videos on this on YouTube, maybe, I don't know. I haven't looked because I didn't want to spoil the surprise. And so here we go. Ooh. Right, it's out of the box, so let's see what we have. I'm just wrecking the joint here. So we have a toolkit. So I've not, because this is my first Diamond Art Club one, I'm going to have a look and see what you get in the toolkit. Ooh, lots of bits. Okay, so we have a clear sparkly tray with gold flecks. We have a ton of bags. Then I have an orange pen with a orange squishy, which I don't use these, but I'm looking for somewhere to donate them on. This is the stopper for the tray. Why does that not go in easily? There we are. So the stopper for the tray. I don't tend to use small trays like this, but I'll pop it in my stash just in case I need a small tray for something in future. There's also some multi-placers. So there's a 4 and a 7 multi-placer. We also get some tweezers. These are metal tweezers. So I will keep hold of those. Most of the kits come with the ones that get tweezers. They're plastic ones and they're useless. There's also a cover minder, this beautiful purple flower. Then we have some heart wax in the heart pot, and then some washi. So this one is, let's open this out. It's got these crosses on. Now that's not my style, so I will probably forward that to someone else, because yeah, that's not my style to use something like that. So let's pop that away, and then let's take a look at the canvas and the drills. I'll see what people mean when they say that the canvases are soft from Diamond Art Club. Okay, so this is not going to fit on screen fully, so I will pull it up as I go. Now, my husband, when I showed him the picture of this, he said it was like Nightmare Before Christmas crossed with The Matrix because of all this in the background. So we'll have to see what it ends up like when it's all finished. So yeah, we've got Jack and Sally in the middle, up on the curly hill. We've got Zero the dog here, I can see. And then the rest, yeah, I think is just a generic stripy background. So the size of this one, let me get the drills out of here. The size of this one is, it tells me on the box, 18 by 28 inches, which is 46 centimetres by 71. So it's probably not the biggest one that I've done so far, because I've done a 50 by 70. So this one is ever so slightly smaller, but it's still a big canvas. And the nice and sticky on there. And also I like that you get the legend top and bottom on canvases, so no different with the Diamond Art Club ones as well. So yeah, super soft on the back. Then we have a total of 26 colours. So despite the fact that a lot of this, there's a lot of black, that's going to be fun, and there's a lot of white, The colours in the background, there's still 26 in total, so I don't think that's so bad. So I'm going to roll this back up so I can pop it back in the box to keep it nice and safe and tidy. And then we have the drills, we have the stickers for the paintings. Now, I know that normally with Diamond Art Club, you get a little square sticker of the painting. There isn't one in this, so I wonder whether the seller had already taken it out, because the plastic seal had been, although the plastic seal was still on the box, it had been, you could see the plastic had been opened at the top. So I wonder whether the sticker has gone, but that's okay, because this is, I believe, is this on sticker paper? This is on sticker paper, so I will just cut the image off of that to add into my logbook. So yeah, 26 stickers. Then there are 2 ABs, 126 and 137. And then let's take a look. It does seem quite a small pack of drills. I've seen quite a few DAC kit unboxings, and the drills always look like a massive pack, but these don't look huge. So let's see. What have we got here? Okay, so we've got 3 packs of 310, standard 310, and this is a round kit. Then we have here are one of the ABs, 126 in this pink colour. Then we have this green, purple, blue, a darker purple, a lilac, a mid purple, another blue, a baby blue or sky blue, more purple. So there's quite a lot of purples in this. A navy, turquoise, more blue, mid blue, light blue, more of a royal blue, and we have like a bluey green, sea green, teal and mint. So those are that strand. And then on this one, there are a ton of 5200, as you would imagine, with the amount of white. So we have the 5200s, then we have this 820, which is the navy blue. Then we have 939, that's quite a common colour as well. And we have this purpley blue. And then we have, here is the other AB as well, which is 137. So that's a blue with the AB coating. So yeah, I'm so excited to get this one kitted up and started. As I said, it's my first Diamond Art Club purchase. Obviously not directly from the site, but from a destasher. I've also bought another one from a destasher, and also I've discovered that Joanne also sell Diamond Art Club paintings, and they had a super duper sale on their website the other day, so I might have purchased another couple from Joanne as well, and I might just be waiting for those to arrive. But anyway, on that note, thank you very much for joining me for today's unboxing. I literally could not wait to get this and open it. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous, and this is going to be going up in my bedroom for sure. Massive Jack Skellington fan, so yes, this was always designed for me in mind, of course. So thanks for joining me for today's unboxing. I will see you all again in the next video. As always, thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe and hit the bell notification button, and drop a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.